extraordinary and miscellaneous, rata, monthly special allowance. Paano ho ang pagbigay ho niyan sa kay Chief Justice? Cash ho ba yan? Cheque ba ho yan?
Cash payroll po.
Ano ho ibig sabihin nun?
We made the payroll, we prepared the payroll, then in cash, binigay po namin sa kanila.
So, cash as in cold cash, bills and coins ho yan? Hindi
Yes.
niyo po dinideposito sa bangko nila o walang cheque?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, cash ho talaga?
In cash po.
Sa alin ho dito sa mga entries yung cash o lahat ba ho yan cash?
In cash po lahat.
Sandali lang, yan ba'y cash o cheque?
In cash, Your Honor.
Currency,
Yes, Your Honor.
pesos and centavos.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ito hong entry na extraordinary, nasa page 2 na po ako, exhibit 115. Yung bandang babaho, third to the last, extraordinary and miscellaneous expense, PET. Ano ho ito? Ano ho ibig sabihin nito?
Monthly expense allowance po equivalent to extraordinary and miscellaneous expense allowance sa Presidential Electoral Tribunal po.
So, binibigay rin ho ng cash ito, bawat buwan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Medyo malaki ho to, mas mataas pa ho sa salary niya ito.
No, Your Honor. It's
It's
only 16,000 a month.
Okay. Yung kasunod ho nun, yung monthly expense allowance PET.
That is monthly expense allowance equivalent to rata from the Presidential Electoral Tribunal.
Yun ba hong Presidential Electoral Tribunal, saan ho nanggagaling yung pondo nun? Supreme Court din ba ho yun?
No, Your Honor.
Saan ho? GAA rin ho yan?
Opo.
Tapos ano ho yan, para bang hindi na rin ho kailangan i-liquidate yan, basta binibigay ho sa bawat justice yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tapos cash ho ito?
In cash po.
Dalawang item yun, di ba? RA. Ano yung RA?
A representation allowance and
Yung
transportation allowance.
Yung
Transportation allowance,
ayun.
Your Honor.
Kasama doon ang gasolina, di ba? Transportation allowance, gasolina.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung mag-taxi siya o sasakay sa aeroplano, kasama yun. Kasama ba yun?
For gasoline expenses, Your Honor.
Gasoline expenses lamang.
Opo.
Okay.
May
Yung representation expense, yun ang for entertainment ng mga bisita, ng mga pangregalo, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Yeah, proceed.
Ms. Mayuga, nabanggit niyo po kanina na paminsan-minsan na kailangan mag-submit ng certification si Chief Justice. Tama ho ba yun?
Certification in connection with what, please?
For the release of the allowances. The one
Which
she was-
allowance? Because too general.
Ang pagkakaintindi ko, lahat ng allowance as she testified.
So the question now relates to all the allowances. We are objecting because the question is too general, Your Honor. There are plenty of allowances mentioned in here. The witness has nothing to do with the appropriation, therefore.
Alam mo, there are certain allowances that are liquidated for purposes of auditing
Yes, Your Honor.
by way of certification because it is cumbersome to
Receipts.
file up receipts
Right.
along the way, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun ang sinasabi na certification. Linawin mo sa witness.
Opo. Alin-alin ba hong allowances yon, yung kailangan ng certification? Dito ho sa listahan ninyo. Pwede nyo ba hong isa-isahin yung kailangan i-liquidate?
Certification of having spent, certification of having received, that is precisely our basis, Your Honor. That's why we're objecting.
Your Honor, I'm just basing out on the...
Yung certification normally deals with sa expenditure.
Expenditures, yes.
Ano-ano ho yun?
Lahat pong ito ay paid by payrolls. So lahat pong liquidation namin is the monthly report of disbursement, the payrolls also received by the Chief Justice.
So lahat ho ito kailangan ng one certification.
Not certification, sir, but the payroll, the paid payroll itself.
Hindi ko po maintindihan. What
Yung
do you
pong-
mean by paid payroll?
I have no payroll here.
Pa-
Parang,
Ganito na lang ho, nabanggit niyo po kanina na nagsasubmit si Chief Justice ng certification, di ba ho? For expenditures.
yung pong certification na sinasabi ko sa inyo, stated na po yun sa payroll na nakalagay po doon na yung pong gagastusin nila for miscellaneous expenses ay for this purpose.
Pwede ba ho kayong magdala ng sample
Yes, Your
para
Honor.
ho, thank you. May dala ba ho kayo ngayon?
Wala po.
Okay. Pwede ho kayong magdala next time.
Opo.
Thank you. Siguro mga 4 or 5 para lang ho makita namin kung pwedeng iba-ibang purposes para maiba naman ho.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.